This is question number 8 on the Algebra 2 Common Core Regents for January 2017. And what we have here is an inverse function question that involves some logarithms. And we do need to remember something here for logarithms, and it is a simple property of what logarithms are, and it's the definition of logarithms. The logarithm of base A of B equals C is the exact same thing as a to the c equals b. You may have also seen this as the log b of n is e, where b represents the base, e represents the exponent, and n represents the number. So we can easily convert that then, base, exponent, number. So whichever way you choose to remember that makes no difference. They are the same exact property. The second is just a bit of a mnemonic device because we have b to the e, meaning base to the exponent is number, and the base appears in the log. That shows where our exponent goes in the log equation, and n shows where our number goes in the log equation. And again, they are effectively the exact same thing, just with different variables placed in it. You can put any variables you want. That second one is just an easy one to remember. And then we need to remember what the inverse is. The inverse is with the y switched with the x, and then isolated to our new y, so we have an actual function. So y is log base 3 of x. Let's use our property here to change that to an exponential function that would make it easier to work with. That's our base, that's our exponent, that's our number. So we would rewrite that as 3 to the y equals x. Again, following that same property as before. Okay. And now let's apply our inverse property. Inverse, we switch the x and the y. So all this is 3 to the x is equal to y. So the answer here is going to be 3. Now, you can do this in a different order. You can switch the y and the x first if you want. So we could invert it first, which would be x is log base 3 of y. And then we could apply our same logic as before. The base is 3, the exponent is x, and the number or the result is y. Either way, we end up with the exact same solution.